Hello my dear friends and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make the creamiest and yummiest garlic mashed potatoes in Instant Pot. Mashed potatoes is one of the yummiest side dishes on earth, even though it is very simple. It can be served with meat or vegetables. That's what we're going to do. Peel potatoes and cut them into cubes. Place potatoes in an inner pot and cover them with cold water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Close the lid and turn the valve to the sealing position. Select Pressure Cook Program and set time to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, mix half a cup of milk and half a cup of whipping cream in a saucepan. Then add a rosemary stalk and 3 cloves of mashed garlic. Bring it to boil. Garlic and rosemary will make your mashed potatoes more flavorful, and milk and whipping cream will add smoothness and creaminess. Sieve and remove garlic and rosemary. When time is up, open the lid by using the quick release. Turn the valve to the venting position. Drain potatoes and mash them well with a potato masher. Slowly drizzle in the hot milk sauce. Okay, now it's time to serve your garlic mashed potatoes. Pour a little bit of melted butter to bring extra creaminess. Sprinkle with dill or parsley to bring the fresh taste to the garlic mashed potatoes. Enjoy!